Warm tips before installation. Before disassembly, please wrap the center console, armrest box, car gear, and other positions in the car with soft fabrics such as towels and cloth pads to prevent scratches during disassembly. Pry out the air conditioning trim panel with the rocker. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then place the air conditioning trim panel to one side. Remove the bezel under the host panel. Remove the fixing screws of the host panel. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the host panel, and then place the host panel of the original vehicle. Screws of the original display screen. Press the LVDS plug button on the back of the original display screen. Then take out the LVDS plug, and then place the original display screen. Put the Android ISO harness inside the instrument panel, and thread the plug end to the base of the display screen. of the original host. Insert the plug and press the buckle to make it firmly installed. Thread the plug end of the USB cable to the base of the display screen through the storage box, and place the female end of the USB cable into the co-driver storage box. Pry open the side cover of the storage box with the rocker. Thread the plug ends of 4G antenna and GPS antenna through the storage box to the base of the display screen. Double-sided adhesive tape behind the 4G antenna and GPS antenna, and place them on the dashboard. Plug the excess wire into the gap above the storage box, and press the exposed harness into the gap with a rocker. Install the side cover of the storage box after plugging the excess harness into the gap above the storage box. Install the original host back to its original position. Confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host. plugs of Android ISO harness, 4G antenna, GPS antenna, and USB harness to the back of Android device, and connect the LVDS male of the original vehicle to the interface on the back of Android device.